Hello everyone, welcome you all in our YouTube channel Vaishnavi Nalavde. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about next one part of the chapter second in BPharm 5th sem, that is Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2 under the glycosides. In that, three drugs are included in the glycosides: senna, aloe, and bitter almond. So, in previous video lecture, we will discuss about senna, and in today's video lecture, we will discuss about aloe and bitter almond. Okay, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe first and press the bell icon to get latest updates of new videos. So स्टार्ट करूया आपण. फर्स्ट ड्रग आहे अलो. अलो मीन्स अलोवेरा इज a plant species of the aloe genus. It grows widely in tropical climates and is also cultivated due to its agriculture and medicinal values. You can see the amazing varieties of aloe plants. Synonym is musbar, kumari and aloes. Biological source: aloe vera is the dried juice obtained from the leaves of various species of aloe like Aloe barbadensis Miller or Carco aloe, Aloe ferox Miller or Cape aloe, Aloe peri Baker or Socotrine aloe, and fourth one Aloe africana Miller and Aloe spicata Baker or Cape aloe. Aloe vera is one of the most familiar of all the medicinal herbs. Out of more than 300 species of aloe, only 4 are believed to have medicinal properties. The most potent medicinal effects are believed to come from Aloe barbadensis, which is frequently produced in gel form, belonging to family Liliaceae. Okay, aloe vera is a plant species of the aloe genus and it grows widely in tropical climates and is also cultivated due to its agriculture and medicinal values. Out of more than 300 species of aloe, only 4 species have medicinal properties. Okay, belonging to family Liliaceae. Then geographical source: Curaçao, Barbados, Aruba, Curaçao aloes or Barbados aloes, and Bonaire, West Indian Island. Cape Town, South Africa, in that Cape aloes. Socotrine and Zanzibar Island, Socotrine or Zanzibar aloes. It is also cultivated in Europe and in northwest Himalayan region in India. You can see the species of aloe plant. Okay. The next one, microscopic features of 4 species, in that color, odor, taste and texture included in the chart. Okay, there are 4 species: Curaçao aloe, Cape aloe, Socotrine aloe and Zanzibar aloes. In that, color, odor, taste and texture of the aloes. Microscopic features. You can see this transverse section of aloe leaf. So TS of the leaf exhibits in figure. So outermost cuticle followed by epidermis, palisade tissue and mucilaginous parenchymatous mesophyll. Mesophyll encloses vascular bundles which are covered with pericycle. Inside the pericycle, few large elongated thin walled alotic cells are located. The cells contain highly viscous yellow juice, aloe gel. The leaves are sessile and when they are cut from the base, the juice flows down, which is to be collected. A few calcium oxalate crystals are present in the parenchyma. Transverse section of the leaf exhibits outermost cuticle followed by epidermis, palisade tissue and mucilaginous parenchymatous mesophyll. So mesophyll encloses vascular bundles which are covered with pericycle. Inside the pericycle, few large elongated thin walled alotic cells are located. So these cells contain highly viscous yellow juice, aloe gel. The leaves are sessile and when they are cut from the base, the juice flows down which is to be collected. A few calcium oxalate crystals are present in the parenchyma. You can see this transverse section of the aloe. Then chemical constituents. Aloe is made up of 30% of aloin, which is a mixture of barbaloin, beta-barbaloin and isobarbaloin isomers. Barbaloin is a crystalline glycoside which is present in all the four varieties of aloe and it is slightly yellow colored, bitter in taste and water soluble. Barbaloin is a C glycoside compared to common O glycoside. You can see this image in that aloin and barbaloin and aloe resin. Beta barbaloin is amorphous in nature and is present in Cape aloe. It can be obtained by heating barbaloin. Isobarbaloin exists in crystalline form and is present in Curacao and Cape aloe in trace amounts, but absent in Socotrine and Zanzibar aloe. It is a mixture of barbaloin and polyphenol responsible for its color taste. These are the chemical constituents present in aloe. Main, that is barbaloin or aloin. Chemical test used for aloe in that borax test, scontentins test. 5 ml of aqueous solution of aloe, borax 0.2 gram is added and heated to dissolve completely. A few drops of these liquid are poured in a test tube filled with water. A green fluorescence is develops. Then second one is bromine test. A pale yellow precipitate of tetrabromelain is formed on adding bromine to aqueous solution of aloe. Nitric acid test on addition of nitric acid 2 ml to a solution of aloe 5 ml. The following changes occur in that Cape aloes form a brown color which changes rapidly to green. Curacao aloe give a deep brownish red color. Socotrine aloe give a pale brownish yellow color. Zanzibar aloe give a yellow brown color. Then fourth one test, that is modified anthraquinone or Bontrager or cupraloin test. In that 0.1 gram of aloe is boiled with a dilute hydraulic acid and 5 ml of 5% solution of ferric chloride for 5 minutes. The solution is cooled, filtered and the filtrate is shaken with benzene. The benzene layer is separated. Ammonia solution is added to the resultant mixture producing a pink coloration. These are the chemical tests used for aloe. In uses, it is used as a purgative because of its intensely irritating effects on the delicate mucosal lining. It is one of the ingredients of compound benzoin tincture in which it is a pharmaceutical adjunct. It causes griping and therefore it is administered with carminatives. Ointment of aloe gel is used in the treatment of skin irritation, burns caused by sun, heat or radiation. These are the uses of aloe. Then second one drug, that is bitter almond, comes under the glycoside category. In that bitter almond are used as food flavoring agents or in oils. Trees of bitter almond or are found in Middle East and Asia. Synonym: Amygdala amara, belonging to family Rosaceae. Bitter almond is the dried ripe kernels of Prunus amygdalus, Bajvar amara DC folk. Prunus cumanis, Prunus amygdalus, Bell and Amygdalus cumanis, Lin. These are the species of this bitter almond. Geographical source. Bitter almond trees are native to Persia and Asia Minor. They are cultivated in cooler climates such as in Italy, Sicily, Portugal, Spain, southern France and Morocco. In India, they are produced in cooler areas of Punjab and Kashmir. Microscopic features in that color brown, odorless, bitter, about 20 mm in length, 125 mm in width and 10 mm in thickness. Flattened, oblong, ovoid in shape with markings on testa. Entire seed, kernel cut transversely and bitter almond herb. You can see this image. Then chemical constituents. In that main chemical constituents, that is amygdalin. Bitter almond oil contains 80% of benzaldehyde and about 2 to 6% of hydrocyanuric acid. Bitter almonds have 40 to 50% of bland fixed oil and 20% protein. It also contains emulsion enzyme and 1 to 3% amygdalin, a colorless crystalline bitter glycoside. About 0.5% of volatile oil is also present in bitter almond. Amygdalin hydrolyzes in presence of water and decomposes into benzaldehyde 80% and hydrocyanic acid 2 to 6%. Bitter almond is not suitable for internal consumption because of being highly poisonous due to hydrocyanic acid. And amygdalin on the contrary is not present in the sweet almonds, therefore they do not have bitter taste and do not yield volatile oil on hydrolysis. Chemical taste. In that ferrocyanide test and cuprocyanate test. These are the tests used in the bitter almond. Uses. Due to the presence of hydrocyanic acid, it is used as a sedative and its oil is used in demulcent skin lotion. It is also used in preparation of amygdalin, bitter almond, water, perfumes and liqueurs. Thank you. Stay safe. Happy learning. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get latest updates of new videos. Thank you.